Hello, what's up guys, it's Gary here and you're watching G4 Gadget. Today, we're going to test out and review the HONOR X9d, which might be the perfect phone for adventurers with its toughness claims. Let's check it out. First, let's see if the HONOR X9d is durable enough for this drop test or not. Often happens while we're adventuring. Let's go. Okay, so now we're gonna do the drop test on the HONOR X9d. First level. No problem. Screen protector scratches only. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the next level. Here, look at these stairs. I'm gonna throw the HONOR X9d down these stairs. Okay, let's do this. Let me take off the screen protector. Yo, look at that. Only minor scratches and dents here. But still very usable. Next, the HONOR X9d claims to have the industry's first IP69K rating for water and dust resistant, which is a high standard to comply with. After some contact with water, the HONOR X9d seems to be working fine, so it passes this test. If, unfortunately, some dust or water went into the phone, the HONOR X9d can eject it easily with its new software feature. The battery on the X9d is insane, where the capacity hits 8,300 mAh, and it might be the largest cell among any mainstream smartphones. When I played Honor of Kings on the X9d for 30 minutes, the battery literally dropped by 0%. And I'm freaking mind blown. Is that even legal? 2 days of battery life isn't a problem for the X9d, and it can even last up to 3 days on a single charge. Speaking of charging, the HONOR X9d supports 66 watt of wired charging, but I did not test out the speed because I struggled to even kill the battery. Moving on to the screen. The HONOR X9d comes with a 6.79-inch AMOLED screen, and this time, they've finally switched to a flat panel, which is a more popular choice. What impressed me are the bezels. They are so damn thin for a mid-range phone that isn't even half the price of the latest iPhone 17. With peak brightness up to 6,000 nits, this phone is definitely made for the adventurers and outdoor lovers, as seeing the screen under bright sun isn't even challenging to the phone at all. Performance gained some improvements, with the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 now powering the HONOR X9d. On Geekbench, it managed to score 1106 on single core and 3147 on multi-core CPU, while the GPU score is 2884. Honor of Kings can run smoothly at the highest graphic settings at 60 frames per second, no doubt about that. It runs on Magic OS 9 based on Android 15, which gets all the same AI features as its more expensive counterparts. Cameras-wise, the HONOR X9d comes with a 108MP main camera with OIS, a 5MP ultra-wide camera, and a 16MP front camera. On a sunny day, all the cameras perform nicely with good colors and contrast, which is within expectations. It is just a good enough camera, but not the best. Low light performance isn't that amazing. Occasionally have some noises and the details are lost, but it is still acceptable in certain situations. Nobody's buying this for the selfie, right? It is fine like other cameras, but nothing extraordinary. Video up to 4K at 30 frames per second are stable thanks to OIS, and although the HDR isn't great, the colors look sharp and vibrant, which is nice. The HONOR X9d comes with a pair of stereo speakers, which can reach up to 400% of loudness. Again, an outdoor-friendly feature. The speaker is heavy on the bottom and overall, the sound isn't very rich. In conclusion, the HONOR X9d is very suitable for those outdoor lovers and adventurers who need a durable phone and a long-lasting battery. Or you're just someone who are very careless and always dropping your phone, then you should definitely get the HONOR X9d. What are your thoughts on this tough phone? Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to G4 Gadget for latest tech news. See you guys next time. Bye!